In this video, I will show you how to set up autopay with Ali Bank. It is very easy to do, just make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So to set up autopay with Ali Bank, you need to follow these steps. So first is login with your Ali Bank account. You can go to the Ali Bank website at ali.com or you can open the Ali Bank mobile app. Then sign in using your username and password. Then you need to navigate to the payments. Once you are logged in, select the account from which you want to set up a autopay. Example, saving, checking or auto loan. Now look for the payment or make a payment section. Now if you setting a payment for a auto loan, go to the autopay settings. Now set up a autopay. So select autopay or recurring payment. Then enter the required details such as payment amount, payment details, frequency and funding source. Now once you have entered all these details, you need to confirm, review and confirm. You need to double check all the information including payment amount, date and funding account. Then you satisfied with all details, simply confirm the setup. You will receive a confirmation email or notification. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.